So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next.
Good morning, Glam Dolls. What is good? It is your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Vlogs. Today is Vlogmas number 12. We are in this bitch, still breathing, still surviving this Vlogmas. Even though sometimes I don't want to turn on the camera, I'm doing this for y'all. Well, for me too, but yeah, it is 8:31 a.m. December 12th. You already know what it is. Time to go to school, time to get this work in. I'm tired. I did not sleep well. My throat is on fire. Like, it's on fire, y'all. It is buku early in the morning. I just want to go in my bed and go to sleep. That's about it. But I can't, because the grind never stops. Right now, I'm waiting for husband to get back to the car so we could drive and get some warmth and then go to school. I got the boring class today. Hopefully we do something fun. I know we were supposed to do something with washing our hands and use some sort of chemical that shows us how much we wash our hands if we wash our hands. Wash your hands, people. Number one way to spread infection and germs is not washing your hands properly. But come on. They're supposed to open the door at 8:30. It's 8:32. Like, you get to be warm. Open the damn door and let my child in. But yeah, we are on our way to school. He has a job fair to go to. So hopefully when he get his resume out there, it'll be a job waiting for him, or he passed the exam and then there's a job waiting for him. But yeah, other than that, I just wanted to say good morning. Hello. If y'all are new to my channel, what is good? What is up? I'm your girl Shay. Make sure y'all join that Glam Squad. Hashtag Glam Squad. And if y'all my babies, my glam jewels, make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all notification. Come on. Hashtag notification gang. But yeah. Hopefully, I don't know, we do something because, I don't know. I'm about to do my other work from my yesterday's class in this class to catch up. So, yeah, I will see y'all in the next clip. Gang, gang. Bye. What's up, y'all? Good afternoon. Vlogmas day number 11. What did I do today? Not shit. When I tell you not shit, I didn't even crack a textbook today. Like, at all. Only to show him my homework, and that was it. So we basically sat in the class talking bullshit. And then after that, he had a meeting to go to. So we started lunch late at 11:30. And then he was like, he'll be back at 12:30. 12:45, he still wasn't in the classroom. So, yeah, when he did finally get back to the class, he was like, well, if y'all want... Hey, something on my tooth. Okay. He said, if y'all want... I'm not telling y'all to leave, but if y'all want to leave, y'all can leave. Or y'all can stay behind and finish your project. He had added something to the project right then and there. So I was like, damn, I got to finish this. So I had to stay in school for a little bit. I was waiting for hubby to come and get me anyway because he had the car. So either way, I wasn't going nowhere until he got home. But anyway, so I had to finish some of my project. I still didn't finish it. I just got a little bit of final touches and then that's about it. Right now, I'm picking up baby girl from school. My other one had a field trip today, so hopefully after I go and get her, she'll let us know what she did for her school trip. She went to go see the Nutcracker, so yeah. Friday, we planning on getting a dog, a puppy, something for the kids for Christmas. So we're going to the SPCA to look at dogs and go Christmas shopping or whatever else. So, yeah. I can't wait for winter to be over because I hate the cold. It seems like every time I come outside from inside, my muscles tighten up, my bones tighten up. I just feel old as shit, y'all. I feel old. I'm only 31, but I feel like I got the body of a 70-year-old. No offense to the 70-year-olds, because I know some of them, they be looking good for 70, man. I hope that's me. I hope my black don't crack. But yeah, it's cold, so I'm getting baby girl. We can sit in the car, wait for Brianna to get out of school. Y'all already know what it is, nothing new. So yeah, I will holler at y'all when I get back in the car.
What?
Nothing. You ain't gonna say hi?
Hi.
You ain't even looking at the camera.
Today I have a cookie and it's new.
Okay, stop talking like that. Talk regular.
Hi guys, so I have a cookie and it's good. It has glue on it. Looks gross. And by the way, I still like it. Oh,
That's frosting.
never mind.
Let me see it. Let me see the cookie.
And it tastes delicious.
This is her cookie that she made. So y'all seen baby girl's snowman cookie. I'm about to eat it. But y'all, I think I've been saying it was Vlogmas day number 11. I don't know, but it's Vlogmas day number 12, y'all. I'm pretty sure it's Vlogmas day number 12.
No,
I just looked at
two.
I just looked at my camera, my calendar, and it says Vlogmas day number 12.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Do a smiley, crazy face. Do a crazy face. Anyway, so right now we are in the car. We are waiting for baby girl number 1 to get out of school,
I'm baby girl number 2.
which is all the way over there from the car. And she's old enough where she can walk home, but I don't want her walking home. So, and I'm already out, so I might as well just pick her up and bring her home. But I think once she gets her Santa Claus present, I will let her use it and come home with it. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. But we got pizza at home. Pizza. And I got me some wings. They're just mine. Just for me. Nobody else. So when I get home, I'm about to smash. I hate sugar cookies. I'm about to smash the pizza. Just like y'all about to smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. Thumbs up this video and all future videos that y'all watch. Just as soon as you click on the video, just hit like, okay? So I know that y'all are feeling these videos and I can keep it going, okay? Because if not, baby, Vlogmas will be canceled, okay? There will be no more Vlogmas. I'll just do my 10, 12 days of slay and keep it moving because I got Christmas break. Yay. I could be going Facebook Live. If y'all want to see me Facebook Live, let me know down below because I think for my Christmas break, since I have no school, no schoolwork, no homework, no quizzes, no finals, no midterms, none of that, I could have time to go Facebook Live. So if y'all want to see me live here live on Facebook, let your girl know down below. But till then, I'm holla. Time to go home. Time to smash. See y'all.
Hey, kids sit out that doors now. Daddy got a big ass headache.
You didn't take the BC yet?
Yeah, I took that gift.
So, Bree brought me a gift from school today, y'all. So, it smells like slime, but I know it's not slime because it's in a box. So, you got to see.
Oh, yeah.
It's a ring.
And it's pink. My favorite color.
I already ate off of it. Babe, did you take a slice?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you did. I'm about to go in. 1. All right, y'all. This is towards the end of my Vlogmas day number 12 or 13. Don't know. I'll put it up somewhere. I can't keep track. But I'm at the girls' school right now. I'm about to pick them up because school's about to be over. I'm tired as hell. Tired as hell. Today's class, we did nothing. Well, we did. Look at my hair, y'all. I'm so tired. But we did book work. And we did the review for the final, which is on Wednesday. Wednesday is the last day of class before the Christmas break. My nose looked like Rudolph. But yeah, after I pick the kids up, I'm gonna go home, give them a snack. They don't have homework, so that's good. And baby girl number 1 is going to be changing her clothes, and then we're going back out because she has her winter program that she's gonna be doing. So I'll be sure to record that as well. And we are going out to eat because we haven't been out to eat in a while, and I was supposed to put the pulled pork out, but I never got to putting it out. Well, it's out, it's just not, I didn't put it in the crock pot. So yeah, that is pretty much all that we're doing today, is the winter program and then going out to eat. I don't have class Fridays, so yeah, I got my 3-day weekend and then back to school for the last week of this mod. So, and we're having a potluck and ugly sweater day, so I'll be recording that. But I got a headache. I'm tired. I'm ready to take a nap, but I know I probably won't because that's just me. But I'll see y'all later. Toodaloo.
Where are those people going? Oh, I know. They're going to Norfolk.
I missed the plane. Trying to get the plane.
Mommy, when a plane goes down, can we get inside of it?
No, Mommy's scared of planes.
I'm not.
You never, well, you have been on one. No, you haven't. Yes, you have. I don't know. I know Bree's been on a plane.
Well, I was in a dream.
Put the gang sign down. Why he looking at her like that though? He like, bruh. What? Let me see if I can point her out right there. She got a yellow thing in her hand.